Lightroom Classic has just launched version 15.5. It includes support for new cameras and lenses, along with several performance and stability improvements. But there are three new features that stood out to me. You can now render images to DNG, making it easier for you to create processed DNGs for your workflow. For example, let's assume we have some edits on this image. Right click on it and click on Render to DNG. It creates a rendered DNG for this file. There is the new opacity control while cropping. With this, you can change the photo's opacity to align horizons or create better compositions while cropping your images. To do this, click on the crop icon and crop an image. You can right-click on the image and change the opacity controls here. With this, the remaining portion of your image has a reduced opacity so that you can focus on the cropped area. To return to the previous state, you can just click on off and the whole image is back to normal. Finally, masking has received refined controls which helps you to create cleaner and more accurate masks. For example, I have created a sky mask for this image. However, when you zoom into the image, you can see that the sky has bleeded over my image and thus the edges have been overlapped with the sky mask. With this release, there are two new sliders called feather and edge. In this case, let me reduce the edge slider so that you can see bleeding is now back to normal and I can just refine my edges of this image. When I increase the edge, it bleeds more into the image, and when I decrease it, reduces the bleeding. So this way, you can refine your masking and create better and accurate masks. These aren't massive headline features, but they are practical improvements that can make your day-to-day editing experience a little smoother in Lightroom Classic 15.5. Let me know which feature you're most excited to try.